Hello everybody, I am back again with another Leoni. Now you probably think this is the same one. It's actually not. That's the one I filmed. And this is the next one I'm going to film. So it functions just like the other one. And it has the same features just like the other one, so I'm going to just turn on the light. I said light. There we go. I let it dim the lights. Or like, okay.
So it'll get brighter before it goes dim.
That is dimmer. And that is brighter. I'll leave it like that. Here's low. Functions just like the one in the dining room. Except this one has a subtle wobble to it. It's so subtle that you might not even realize it. It's a 3-blade, just like the other one. I'm gonna do this video a little bit quicker too. Here's low with the light on. Medium. I'm going to keep that on for about another 30 seconds. I'm going to keep this on medium for another 30 seconds. I'm going to move to the next speed. Use medium with the light on. Filming this on the couch. Here's it from another angle. Okay, I think it took. Yeah, it did. Subtly wobbling. I think the wobble kind of reduces as it speeds up to get to maximum speed. It's just like the other one. There's basically zero differences. With the light on. Going back to this angle. Okay, I think that's good. Time to do the spin down for this one. The thing is, I think the spin down for this one actually is longer than the other one in the dining room. But I'll still have enough storage to get my ground to the ceiling fan. I have 2 others at home. My house, there's 1 other at my aunt's house. There used to be 3 at my dad's old apartment, but then he moved out and now there's no fans there anymore, and there's no dad here anymore, unfortunately. The spin down is going to take a little bit longer than the one in the dining room, but that's okay. Because I managed to get the video done a little bit quicker than the other fan. So this might be roughly the same video length. It's the same Hunter logo, it has the same everything, it's just slightly more wobbly. Its thread blade itself is the exact same as the one in the dining room. I might do a separate video where I do both of these in one shot if I want to, and if I have the storage too. Since when those qualifications aren't not met, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not sure if the blades on this fan are different from the one in the dining room. Are they the same?
I think it's the same exact fan.
Yeah, I think so. I was talking about the blades, but yeah, this...
The blades, the light, everything's the same.
Yeah, everything is the same about this fan. there is no difference between them. The next fan will be different, don't worry. It's another 3-lidded fan, but it doesn't look like this one. It's not this one. I don't know what it's called, though.
Might be on the remote.
I don't know if it's on the remote, Grandma. I'll do some researching. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just make the video quickly.
I wonder if the mailman came in.
Told you this one took longer. We're approaching 6 minutes now, and the fan is still going. Three 3-bladed ceiling fans, and the other one is 5-blade. And I can't film that, unfortunately. I might put a screenshot of it, or a picture of it on my community post. Okay, that is all for this Leoni fan. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then like the video. If you really enjoyed it and you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.